Hi, this is Graham Helfrich, Technical Advisor Manager for the Engineering Software here at IHS Markit. Welcome to the weekly Did You Know episode, where we learn how to do something of value that you probably didn't know about your IHS Markit engineering software. Today's episode is about cleaning up your Harmony projects. I've called it spring cleaning, and it's about doing bulk deleting of analyses or worksheets that you just don't want cluttering up your Harmony project. There's really two reasons to use this. One is if you've accidentally applied a workflow and you've added all these worksheets or analyses and you want to kind of go back to step one where it's a blank slate. The second reason is if you've adopted some Harmony files from people and you are not really interested in whatever interpretation they've done, but you want to use the production history and fluid properties. So you really just want to delete all their interpretations and start over. That's one reason to do this. And then the other one is if you're merging a lot of separate standalone Harmony projects into a multi-user Harmony project. And sometimes that can be kind of a nightmare because you're bringing potentially years of work into one place. That's an opportunity to use this bulk delete option to clean everything up. So let me show you how it works. So here we are in Harmony Enterprise. I've got a whole bunch of wells, and here I'm clicked on one well, and we see there's a lot of worksheets. There's a decline, there's a liquid loading plot, FMB, Agrawal Gardener, model, etc. And the other wells, they have a very similar kind of mess of worksheets and analyses. And I just want to differentiate what the difference is between a worksheet and analysis. So a worksheet means all of these tabs along the top. An analysis is, for example, this decline. Okay, so that's the difference. If it appears here, it's an analysis. If it appears here, it's a worksheet. So how do we go about avoiding that time-consuming step of manually delete? Imagine having to do that for every single worksheet and analysis for all these wells. Well, we don't have to do that. So we're going to select multiple wells. I just hold the Shift or Control, grab a bunch of wells, and go up to here where it says Bulk Editor. Okay. Hopefully, if you've never seen this before, you are really excited about where we're going with this. So here we see two tabs. One says Worksheets, and that's just like I mentioned. Among all these wells, these are all those tabs, or we call them worksheets, and we've got their name. We even has the person of the name who created it, which could be handy when you're sorting these. So you can sort these by name, date, who made it, etc. And then these are the analyses. So if I just want to delete all the FMB stuff, for example, we could highlight the first one, go Shift, and hit Delete. So now it's deleting all the FMB worksheets at once for all those wells. If I really want to just completely clean everything up and start from scratch, I select all, hit delete. Same thing for the analyses. Delete. Okay, so now we can go back and see that with this well, it's a blank slate. There's no worksheets, there's nothing. And the same is true for all the other wells that I've done that for. So again, you can do this in a selective way, or you can just kind of do a big spring cleaning and start from scratch, like I've shown you here, and that's using this bulk editor option right here. So what does this really even mean for you? Well, again, you saw how painful it could be to manually delete every single worksheet and analysis, and you don't have to do that. So you're going to save a ton of time using this bulk editors option. Secondly, if you've adopted some Harmony projects and you want to clean them up and start from scratch, or if you're merging many Harmony projects into a single database, this is a way to kind of do that spring cleaning and start from scratch or delete the worksheets that you really have no interest in. And just as a heads up, in December 2019, we're going to be releasing Harmony 2019.3, and it's actually going to have another enhancement to this bulk editor, meaning you're going to be able to rename worksheets and analyses in a bulk manner. So that is also going to be really valuable. And that's it. I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please give me a call or email me, and subscribe to be notified of next week's episode.